respected judges, mentors, and fellow participants. We are Team Tic Tac, and our problem statement ID is 25026. Healthcare is advancing fast. But Ayurveda and Namaste medicine remains disconnected from the global systems. This gap limits patients, doctors, and researchers. Imagine if India's traditional wisdom could speak the same digital language as modern healthcare worldwide. Our solution is an AI driven integration platform that bridges Ayurvedic terms such as Javara and Kasa to ICD 11 codes in real time. Using advanced NLP and semantic mapping, the platform supports multilingual inputs, normalizes data, and learns continuously through the feedbacks. With secure APIs and structured workflows, it ensures accuracy, interoperability, and trust. Our workflow begins with training the AI on set ABC datasets, which contain standardized Ayurvedic terminologies. Here, we use natural language processing to build multilingual embeddings, enabling the model to understand and connect Hindi, Sanskrit, and English medical terms with ICD 11 codes, alongside of which responsible AI ensures bias reduction and ethical handling during the training. Parallel to training, we continuously test the model on real-world morbidity datasets, containing over 4,000 of Namaste codes alongside of the ICD 11 API. In this phase, NLP validates code mappings while explainable AI XAI provides clarity on why a match was made. Combining to this, responsible AI again monitors accuracy and fairness. When a user enters a query in Hindi, English, or Ayurveda, the NLP engine embeds and interprets it, while an agentic AI component dynamically manages all the tasks, fetching ICD updates, suggesting synonyms, and automating mappings. Next, the system ranks the best fit ICD codes using semantic embeddings and re-ranking models. Finally, the results are packaged in FHIR bundle for EMR systems. Here, the responsible AI safeguards security with encryption and audit trials alongside of compilance. Together, NLP, agentic AI, explainable AI, and responsible AI make our solution not just intelligent, but transparent, trusted, and future ready for India's healthcare. The dashboard is the application's homepage that provides healthcare professionals with a quick overview of the medical terminology integration status. It also includes a quick search feature to instantly look up at the medical terms and see recent mappings. The advanced search page offers an extensive search and filtering interface where the users can look up medical mappings by any terminology field. Thank you so much for watching.